Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best car cleaning products. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, MR.SIGA Ultra Fine Microfiber Cloths for Glass. Tired of streaks on your mirrors and windows? Frustrated with lint left behind on your glasses? Worried about scratches on your car's dashboard? Ordinary cloths just don't clean delicate surfaces safely. Smudges and fingerprints ruin your camera lens? Clarity! Meet MR.SIGA Ultrafine Microfiber Cloths, your cleaning solution. Ultra-soft microfiber won't scratch or damage any surface. Lint-free and non-abrasive, perfect for sensitive items. Machine washable, reuse again and again, saving you money. Large 35-40 centimeter size, covers more area in less time. Ideal for mirrors, windows, glasses, camera lenses, and more. Removes fingerprints, dust, and oil smudges effortlessly. Enjoy streak-free, sparkling clean results every single time. No more wasted paper towels or expensive cleaners. Get a pack of 12, perfect for home, car, or professional use. Upgrade your cleaning routine with MR.SIGA microfiber cloths today. Number 4, Chemical Guys TVD 80816 Hybrid V07. Rain drums on my garage roof. Another stormy afternoon. I glance at my car, tires dull and faded. Those tires once gleamed, now they look tired and old. I remember last summer's road trip, fresh shine, endless compliments. But sun, rain, and miles have stolen that deep black glow. Determined, I reach for my secret weapon. Chemical Guys Hybrid V07. Its sleek bottle promises a wet, optical gloss finish. I shake it, feeling anticipation build in the air. A quick spray onto the foam applicator. Rich, oil-based formula glistens. I glided over the tire, watching color return instantly. The sidewall transforms, deep, wet, and impossibly glossy. I work the dressing into every groove, restoring faded rubber. No mess, no drips, just pure, even coverage. Hybrid V07 bonds instantly, eliminating any fear of sling-off. I buff away the excess, surface now dry to the touch. The tire looks showroom new, like it just rolled off the lot. Sunlight streams in, highlighting the deep black, wet shine. I move to the trim, mirrors, bumpers, grills. Each regains its luster. Hybrid V07 isn't just for tires. It revives all rubber and plastic. Advanced blockers protect against fading, cracking, and harsh weather. Rain or shine, my tires stay glossy, resisting water and dirt. No more worrying about stains or streaks on the paintwork. Even after a drive through mud, the shine remains untouched. Hybrid V07 is trusted by pros, loved by enthusiasts worldwide. It's more than a product, it's a car care lifestyle. Every application feels like a ritual, a moment of pride. My garage becomes a studio, every detail perfected. Now my car commands attention. Tires bold, trim flawless. Friends ask my secret, I just smile and point. Ready to revive your ride? Experience Hybrid V07 today. Bring back the deep, wet shine. Protect, restore, and impress. Chemical Guys Hybrid V07, the ultimate tire and trim revival. Make every drive a statement. Shine on, mile after mile. Number 3, Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner Spray. Tired of stubborn dirt inside your car? Meet Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner, your all-in-one solution. Imagine you're prepping for a road trip or daily commute. Seats, carpets, dash, everything needs to look spotless. This spray contains no dyes, no additives, just pure cleaning power. Safe on every surface, fabric, vinyl, mats, even headliners. No sticky residue, surfaces stay cleaner, longer. Simply spray, brush, wipe, and admire the transformation. Developed in the USA, it meets rigorous professional standards. Perfect for car owners, detailers, and busy households alike. Versatile, use it on shoes, bags, furniture, and more at home. Gentle on light colors, no risk of discoloration or stains. Ergonomic spray bottle makes cleaning quick and effortless. Upgrade your cleaning routine to professional-grade results. Make every drive and every room feel fresh and inviting. Try Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner today. Clean smarter, live better. Number 2, Chemical Guys SPI 22716 HydroInterior Tired of dusty, faded car interiors? Meet HydroInterior. Ceramic protection meets fast cleaning. Imagine your dashboard, spotless and sun protected. Just shake, spray on a microfiber towel, and wipe. HydroInterior fuses SiO2 technology for lasting defense. It removes dust, fingerprints, smudges, and grime instantly. Ceramic polymers repel fresh dust and debris after use. Self-cleaning action means less buildup over time. Protects against spills, fading, and harsh UV rays. Works on plastic, vinyl, imitation leather, and more. Safe for all car brands and even RV interiors. Quick application, no streaks, just a matte finish. Professional results for detailers, pet owners, and enthusiasts. Upgrade your interior care routine, make it last. Ready for a cleaner, protected ride? Try Chemical Guys HydroInterior today. Your car deserves it. Number 1, Chemical Guys. Honeydew Snow. Ever get frustrated with stubborn dirt that just won't budge? I used to dread car washes, swirls, scratches, and dull paint. Then I discovered Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. This stuff makes washing your car feel like a foam party. It creates super thick, rich bubbles that lift dirt safely. The pH-neutral formula is gentle on wax and coating. No more worrying about sunlight, no spots, no residue. Just add a little to your bucket, foam gun, or cannon. Watch as billions of bubbles cover every inch of your car. Dirt and grime slide right off. No scratching, just shine. It works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, even RVs, every brand. Plus, it smells amazing. That honeydew scent is next level. Perfect for pros and beginners. Easy, safe, and super satisfying. Ready for a spotless, head-turning ride every wash? Try Honeydew Snow Foam and make your next wash a breeze. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.